Okay, so Smith Bulgarian split squats, really similar to the standard split squat you've seen, except her back foot is going to be elevated up on the bench. So she's going to get herself underneath the bar and she's going to split her feet. Now, if we were to dissect her body with the bar, what we would see is that half her body is on this side, half her body is on the back. Now, main teaching points on this one is that as she drops down, everything is going to go towards that left heel. Now, as you can see in this position, we're getting a little bit more drop down of hip flexion, so that means she'll get more of it in the glute. Come back up. I can understand it's going to be a bit tough for her. Keep her abs nice and tight, tension throughout that hamstring on the way down, drop into that front heel. As she's there, squeeze this isolated glute, comes back up. Now, the one major point where everybody tends to fall down, drop down for me, is that out of this position, they really rely on coming back up with this foot. All this foot's doing is making sure that Clara doesn't fall over, right? So it means that if she was to push up from this foot here, she'd get a lot of it in this quad, when ultimately what we're trying to do is target that isolated glute. Drive back up, and there you have Smith's machine Bulgarian split squats.